Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making some things to go into this journal that I've been working on. I have more fabric scraps. I have these cute little envelopes that I found the other day. And some dictionary page, a bunch of scraps. I started a master board, but I'm not happy with it. So I'm gonna work on these little cards. I have a collection of faith-based cards. They all have different Bible quotes on them. Some have quotes on the inside. And I'm going to try to incorporate some of these into the journal somehow. This I am going to turn into a journal card. And I just thought it was stinking cute. And I think it goes really well with the little mouse, the little praying mouse. The back I'm going to use to stiffen this up, and then I'll back it with some pretty paper. So I'm going to work on this one first. I'm going to go ahead and glue it together first. Since I know I'm going to do that anyway. And then we'll use this one as the backing paper. That'll be cute. Let this dry. And then I'll trim around it and stitch it. Apparently we're cutting the purple off. The card's too big for the pocket, so I'm going to go ahead and trim all the purple edges off. And I'm going to round the corners. Now let's see if it fits. that's cute. I think that's cute. I have another card. This one has a verse written on the inside, and I'm going to cut it down to fit the width of the journal. Just making sure you can still read the verse on the inside. And it fits now. I also cut this card down to fit in the journal and kept this little piece. Going to cover these in some pretty paper. Cut around it. Give it a good fold, and then I'm going to work on the back of the card. I'm going to glue this piece of paper here, and then I'm going to take another piece of paper and make a pocket with it. I'm just going to make a little fold here to kind of estimate where I can rip this pocket. Get this pocket glued on. Cut around it. I didn't realize I have a little bit of white space that needs to be covered on this side. So I'm just going to take a little strip of the lined paper and glue that over it. And here's the little pocket. Now I'm going to work on the little rejoice card that I cut down. I want to keep the verse. So when I cover this, I'm going to tear the edge under the verse and just cover the inside from there down. Now I'm just going to cover the back, trim it up, and I'm going to work on this card next. I decided to do the same thing I did with the very first card, the one that I put in the middle pocket, because there's no way it's going to fit into the journal long ways. It's going to have to go in like this. So I'm going to make it smaller to fit in a pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that together, and then I'm going to put some pretty paper on the back for writing. I'm just going to collage these two pieces on. This is what it looks like. And I left the little blue border all the way around the edge, so I'm going to leave it as a rectangle with square corners. And it fits in the journal. Now I have this card, and I'm just going to steal this little section off of it. Here we go. And it's cute. And bonus, it fits in the little pocket that I made earlier. Thanks for watching, y'all. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting from the different groups and different people. It really means a lot. I will link any information I think you might need down below. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.